we have to compare three number and find out which one is the largest number. So we can write a function here, number, and then हम इसको कर लेते हैं for example तीन पे, n1 n2 and n3, and we can write a condition n1 is greater than n2 and n2 is greater than n3, which means that okay, n1 is the largest number. So we can write a return statement and write out n1 is the largest. If n1, if this condition fails, which means that n1 is not the largest number. So we have to check that we have to check the comparison between n2 and n3 or GE. Then we can write a second if condition, and inside of that if condition, we can check if n2 is greater than n3. Okay, if it is in this case that n2 is greater than n3, and we can okay, just let's simplify the equation, and we can write out the return statement that n3 is the largest number. Okay, and then the else case where we have is basically we can convert this into an else if, and then we can wrap it into a block, which is not necessary क्योंकि हम single line में ही return statement कर रहे हैं, but it's good for practice that you can use this thing. And in the else case, what we can do, we can return out, oh sorry, not the n2, we have n, not the n3, we have n3. Now the n3 is left, and if both cases fail, then we can consider that n3 is the largest number. Let's write out or four test cases. Next number, we can console log the statement, and then we can write, for example, 2, 1, and 0, and we can run the program. It is saying that n1 is the largest number, which makes sense. Now, what we can do, we can swap the position and do this way. Now, if we can run the program, so it is saying that for the first time, it is saying that n1 is the largest number. Now it is saying that n2 is the largest number, and if we can do this thing, oh, not this one. Okay, just use it. Use this statement. That it is saying that n3 is the largest number. So you can also write here n4 and then write one more condition. So it is not a good or a convenient solution. So the good solution is basically you can write out, instead of writing out the most number of parameters, you can simply take one parameter in the form of a string and write out a loop for that one. So which is going to be the best solution. You don't have to write out these bunch of if or else conditions. Okay.